Hi guys, so welcome back here at DEC Engineering Tutorial. So ngayon mag-share ako regarding with the solution equation dito sa differential equations. No? Okay, so unahin ko munang i-discuss or i-share itong case 1 ng solution equation. No? We have the separable variable differential equation. So malalaman natin na yung given na differential equation is under case 1 if ganito yung form niya. No? Like meron kang function of x dx plus function of y dy equal to 0. So pag ganyan yung forma, no? So meaning that is a separable variable differential equation. So paano mo i-solve yan? No? So meron tayo ditong solution equation which is just the integration ng function of x dx plus nung function of y dy equals nung constant c. Okay? So, yun lang naman, no? Yung magiging solution equation ito. So, let's have an example para makita natin kung paano siya i-apply. Okay. So, we have here a problem. So, we need to solve for sin x, sin y dx plus cosine x, cosine y dy equal to 0. Okay? So, solve natin to. So, alam natin na this one is under separable variable differential equation kasi makikita mo na pwede mong i-combine yung mga function of x which is yung sin x over cosine x dx tsaka yung cosine y over sin y dy equal to 0. So, kumbaga, itong function na to, itong given na differential equation, so pwede nating i-rewrite yan as ganito, no? So, like, pwede natin i-combine lahat ng function of x tsaka yung function of y. So, we just divided yung term by cosine of x. So, makukuha natin sine of x over cosine of x and then we divide everything by sine of y. So, cancel out yung sine of y. Dito naman sa kabilang side, magiging ano yan, cosine of y divided by sine of y. No? Kasi cancel out din yung cosine of x kasi we divided everything by cosine of x tsaka yung sine y. So, kumbaga, ito na, no? So, makikita mo yung form niya, no? Is the same dito sa case 1. No? So, ito yung function of x, ito yung dx. No? Function of x, dx. Plus, we have this function of y, dy. So, ito yung function of y, then we have dy. And then we have equal to 0. So, since this is a separable variable differential equation, so, walang ibang solution kundi ito. No? So, yung gagawin lang is just integrate all terms. No? So, we just integrate itong sin x over cosine x dx plus the integration of cosine y over sin y dy is equal to the integration of 0. So, kumbaga, we can rewrite this one as integration of tangent x dx plus integration of cotangent y dy equal to the integration of 0. Okay, integration of tangent x, no? By formula na yan, no? Formula ng integration. We know, integration of tangent x dx is negative ln ng cosine x. And yung formula for the cotangent integration of the cotangent function is just positive ln of sine y, no? And we know, integration of 0 is constant, no? So that's why ito yung sinulat natin dito. Okay? So we have this negative ln. Negative ln stands for natural logarithm. Cosine of x plus ln sine of y equal to c. So by property of logarithm, so since minus to, so meaning we can rewrite this one as, kasi parang ano yan, ln sine y minus ln of cosine y. And we know na one property nung logarithm pag plus, that is product, no? Pag minus, that is division. So we have this ln of sine y over cosine x equal to 0. Okay, so if ever di mo alam, no, kung ano yung mga properties ng logarithm, so you can check out yung sa mathematics ko ng mga lectures, no? Okay, so we have now ln of sine y over cosine x equal to 0. So ngayon, para matanggal itong ln, so again, we can use the proper exponent, no? Yung mga properties ng exponent. We just put base e dito, no? Both sides, no? So kumbaga, meron tayong e raised to the power of ln multiplied ln of sine of y cosine of x, and then we have equal to e raised to the power of c. So kumbaga, pag ganito, one property ng exponent, no? Pag base e and then naka-ln yung exponent mo dito, so maka-cancel out yan. So matitira na lang yung function niya, no? And then we know na e raised to the power of constant is also a constant, no? So kumbaga, it doesn't matter kung ano yun dito kasi yung sagot niya constant pa rin. So yung mangyayari nito, magiging ano na lang, sin y over cosine x equal to c. So we can write this one as a line, no? So kumbaga meron tayong sin y equal to c cosine of x. And yan na yung sagot. Okay? So yun lang naman, no? Yung gusto kong i-share sa video na to. No? So proceed tayo sa case 2 sa next na video. Thank you.